Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food.
This is the old building of Grandview, which is more than 100 years old. It's a wooden structure, very beautiful. They have kept the property very well maintained property. The complex is full of hydrangeas. The back you can see the new building that is added on. That is higher, so you get a better view from there. This is the corridor we walk down. We are in the new constructed wing. Very well done up. We are in room number 404. The room is very big, very spacious. A huge bed. Done up very well. And that's the view. People come to Grandview for the view, and it really has an awesome view. All your tea maker and everything, your luggage space. This is your cupboard. There's a safe there. That's a little area that you can sit and have your tea. Look at the view. It's a little misty today, so we are not getting the total view. From here you get to see the Pir Panjal range very well. From Dharamshala you see another range, and here you see Pir Panjal. You can see the town from here. The toilet. The bathtub there. Complimentary cookies from Grandview. Bye friends.